Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your TikTok app and tap on profile, and here you'll find this little eye icon. So all you have to need, just tap on this eye icon, and now you will need to turn on profile view history. So tap on turn on, and after that all you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. And one more thing, only people who turn on their profile view history will be shown here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.